In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view and understand WordPress error logs using a simple plugin method. If you've ever had your site break, show a white screen, or throw a strange PHP error, this is the fastest way to figure out what's going on behind the scenes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable debugging, read error logs, and understand what those messages actually mean. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, go over to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. Then click Add New. This is where you can search for and install new plugins that extend your site's functionality. In the search bar on the top right, type in WP Debugging. You'll see the WP Debugging plugin appear in the results. This plugin makes it easy to enable WordPress debug mode without manually editing your wp-config.php file. Click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activating the plugin, go back to your installed plugins list and locate WP Debugging. From there, click on its Settings link. This will take you to the WP Debugging configuration area inside your WordPress dashboard. Now, navigate to Tools in the left-hand menu, and then click on Debug Quick Look. This section allows you to quickly view your WordPress error logs directly inside the dashboard without needing FTP or cPanel access. Once you're inside Debug Quick Look, you'll see your log entries displayed on the screen. If your site has generated any errors, warnings, or notices, they will appear here. Let's quickly break down what you're looking at so it makes sense. Each log entry typically has a type, a location, and a message. For example, you might see something like PHP fatal error. This means something broke the site completely and needs immediate attention. The location might show something like WP content/plugins/contact form 7. That tells you which plugin or theme folder caused the issue. Then the message might say something like call to undefined function. This usually means a plugin is outdated, incompatible with your current WordPress version, or conflicting with another plugin. Understanding these three parts, type, location, and message, makes troubleshooting much easier. Instead of guessing what's wrong, you can pinpoint the exact file or plugin responsible for the issue. If you don't see anything listed in the log area, that's actually good news. It means your site currently has 0 logged errors. Everything is running smoothly at that moment. Once you're done reviewing the logs, you can click on Return to Admin Dashboard to go back. You may also see an option to purge the log file. Purging clears the existing log entries, which can be useful if you want to reset the log and monitor for new errors moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to access and understand WordPress error logs using the WP Debugging plugin. This is an essential skill for maintaining a healthy, secure, and stable website. If this video helped you understand WordPress error logs a little better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step WordPress guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.